One teacher!
Fear and fearless analysis. I mean, I'm going to my village lawyer bag of tricks that trip here. Because we hear the big news. Vybz Kartel set free by the Court of Appeal in Jamaica. And look here, a whole heap of discussion and debates did go on over the case here all over the world. Right here so in Jamaica, almost every day, every week, especially in recent times, a debate spark over the subject. Me involved in some of the debate them myself. And all of the debate them me involved in, including before the announcement came today. But tell the people in my chat to say, he's gonna go free. Him and him co-accused Vybz Kartel have to go free. This is not about emotions. This is about common sense. This is not even about evidence. It is common sense and law. This is not about what you feel like and what you feel.
One done. I'm a baby. Kiss me, baby.
Dirty Babylon, but I'm dirty Babylon. Jump it! And let me give them a Gaza. How tell you what me say? Babylon say. Let the God say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury. Oh, but that's a no. Babylon say jail for me. Let the judge say bail for me.
Every day can't be the same. Every day can't be the same. The youth them a prayer. Every day can't be the same. Every day can't be the same. A freedom street, yeah. Freedom street, yeah. A freedom street. Them a wonder we do it, but a judge help we out. Freedom street, a freedom street. A freedom street. Them a wonder we do it, but the judge help we.
With the jackhammer we jilly jilly. She said the real man rich him have 3 billy. Bank book big like the wheel in a free billy. But what? She said the brother She said she want gangster, she no want silly billy. She want a man with the jackhammer we jilly jilly. She said the real man rich him have 3 billy. Bank book big like the wheel.